Why do some excellent COOs struggle when they become CEOs? It is usually not because they lack talent. Many COOs are among the most capable leaders in an organization. They understand systems. They know where execution breaks down. They can see process gaps, operational risks, performance issues, and delivery problems before others do. They are often the people who keep the business moving. But the CEO role is not simply a bigger operations role. It is a different leadership assignment. A COO often leads through systems, process, discipline, delivery, and operational control. A CEO must lead through enterprise trust. That means aligning the board, executive team, employees, customers, investors, partners, and external stakeholders around direction, confidence, and belief in the future. A strong COO may know how to make the organization run. A strong CEO must know how to help the organization adapt. Those are related capabilities, but they are not the same. Imagine a COO who has spent years being the person everyone turns to when something breaks. She knows the business inside and out. She can diagnose problems quickly. She can move stalled work forward. She is trusted because she gets things done. Then she becomes CEO. At first, the transition looks natural. But soon, the role begins asking more from her. The board wants a stronger growth narrative. The executive team needs clearer decision rights. Employees want to understand the culture she expects leaders to model. Customers want confidence in the company's direction. Managers want clarity on accountability, feedback, and follow-through. If she keeps solving problems by getting closer to the work, the organization may remain dependent on her. That is the COO to CEO gap. The leader who was rewarded for being the strongest operator must now become the architect of the leadership system. This is where CEO succession planning must look beyond performance history. The deeper question is not only, who can run the business? It is, who can build the conditions where others can lead well? That is leadership architecture. This is strategic architecture. Leadership architecture is the structure that helps trust, feedback, decision clarity, team agreements, risk resolution, and shared accountability become part of how people work together. Without it, the new CEO can become the final decision point, the conflict resolver, the accountability enforcer, the person everyone waits for. That creates dependency, and it slows execution. This is also where the manager alignment gap often shows up. The manager alignment gap is the space between what senior leaders say they want and what managers are actually equipped to reinforce day to day. Senior leaders say they want accountability, but managers may not have clear behavioral agreements for ownership and follow-through. Senior leaders say they want innovation, but teams may not know how to challenge assumptions safely. Senior leaders say they want feedback, but people may still avoid the conversations that matter most. Senior leaders say they want trust, but trust may still depend on individual personality instead of shared norms. So when an organization asks, who is ready to become CEO? It should also ask, can this leader create clarity without over-controlling? Can they invite challenge before decisions become expensive? Can they build trust across functions, not just inside their own domain? Can they turn values into observable behavior? Can they develop other leaders instead of becoming the center of every important decision? The best CEO successor is not always the strongest operator. It is the leader who can build an organization that knows how to think, decide, adapt, and follow through together. That is why CEO succession planning is not just about choosing the next person. It is about building the leadership architecture that helps the whole organization succeed. Why